Hey guys, congratulations for making an amazing decision to enroll to our course. So let's start with the introduction to Forex Scalping. So many traders are asking what is scalping. Scalping is a trading strategy in which traders profit of small price changes in Forex market. Generally, scalpers focus on short-term trades. As you can see in this chart, we have the chart of Euro USD. A trader will focus of catching like these trades 5 to 10 pips. Sometimes it goes to 20 pips. It's depending on the market conditions. So the trader will focus also on doing a multiple of trade in a sequence. What I will teach you in my course, I will teach you to catch a lower risk, high reward movement with large trading volume. This is my scalping strategies. It's not like other scalping strategies where traders will take up to 100 trades, but a lot of a percentage of 20 or 30 or maybe 50% of their trades are missing trades or lose trades. So in my scalping strategy, we will focus on catching low risk, high reward movement to scalp. So to be consistent in scalping, it's depending on many factors. We will see this in the next slide. Success keys of a scalper. These are 4 rules to achieve success in Forex scalping. So a trader need to have a good Forex brokers that offers you tight spread and low commissions. That's very important point. So we will develop that in next chapters. The second point, you need to select the best Forex currency pairs to scalp. You don't have to disturb yourself of searching to trade all currency pairs. So you have to specialize in certain currency pairs, which we will develop also in other chapters. Third point, you need to have a good internet connection, because scalping it's so fast. So you have you need to have good executions of your trades. Also, if you need to take your profits and exit your trade, it should be very quick. Okay. The fourth point, you need to have an emergency plan if anything wrong happens, like desktop goes down, electricity or internet connection issues. So you need to have like your platform installed on your smartphones, and you have internet data to exit your open trade if you have one of the below issues or other issues. So that's it for introduction. Thanks again for enrolling to our course. See you soon.